Once upon a time, some guys went camping. They didn't want to sleep with Bob because he snored like a hooting elephant, so they decided to take turns. The first guy slept with Bob and woke up looking like a spaghetti monster with messy hair and googly eyes. His friends asked, "What happened?" He said, "Bob snored louder than a rocket launcher, so I couldn't sleep." The next night, another friend took his turn and appeared at breakfast looking like a sleepy bear with ruffled fur. They asked, "What happened to you?" He said, "Bob's snores were like thunderstorms, and I couldn't catch any Z's." On the third night, it was Fred's turn. Fred was a tough cowboy, not afraid of anything. He came to breakfast looking like a morning sun. They couldn't believe it and asked, "What's your secret?" Fred grinned and said, "Well, I tucked Bob into bed, gave him a pat in the butt and a goodnight kiss. Bob sat up and watched me all night like an owl.